Now, students, our next question is to draw the parallelogram HEAR, where HE is given, EA is given, and angle R is also given. So let us see. First of all, we have to draw the rough figure, as I told you earlier also. So this is HEAR. Always write them in the cyclic order. HE is 5 centimeter, EA is 6 centimeter, and angle R is 85. Now students, with these two sides and this angle, we can't find the parallelogram, but we know the property that in parallelogram opposite angles are equal. It means if angle R is 85, E must be 85. So with this angle 85, we can construct the parallelogram. So let us start. First is HE. HE is what? 5 centimeter. So draw a line segment of length 5 centimeter. This is HE. Now students, we know the property that in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. तो एंगल हम 85 बना लेंगे यहाँ. दूसरा, its opposite sides are also equal. Okay, also opposite sides are equal. तो मतलब क्या हुआ, HE अगर 5 है तो RA भी 5 ही होगा, एंड EA अगर 6 है तो RH भी 6 ही होगा. So it is understood. If it is 6, this is also 6. If it is 5, this is also 5. I hope you all understand. So let us start. Now beta, since angle 85 can't be constructed with compass, as I told you earlier also, only those angles which are in the multiples of 15 can be constructed with compass. So we can construct it with the help of protractor. So 85 degree, place the protractor over here, and angle 85 is somewhere here. So with the help of scale, at an angle of 85, draw a ray. So this is what it is, a ray, and it is given that the length of this side EA is 6 centimeter. So what we'll do, we open the compass of radius 6 centimeter. So from here we open it for 6 centimeter, and from E cut an arc of radius 6 centimeter. So if this is 6, this is also 6. From H also draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter. So ये 6 हो गया. Now AR is what? It is 5. Now adjust it for 5 centimeter. So this is how. Now this is 5. Now with the help of this point where the first arc intersect, this is A. So ये था आपका 6 सेंटीमीटर, यहाँ से भी 6 सेंटीमीटर ले लिया, और यहाँ से कितना लिया हमने 5, because opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So just join it, and what we get? So it is R. ये हो गया 5 सेंटीमीटर, ये हो गया 6 सेंटीमीटर, ये एंगल कितना था 85 डिग्री. So in this way, so therefore HEAR is required parallelogram. Okay, now the next part is constructing a rectangle. Again, what we do, we draw the rough figure. So this is, now what is a rectangle? Here in a rectangle opposite sides are equal and each angle is of 90 degree. तो जो हमने थर्ड पार्ट किया था उसमें हमें एंगल गिवन दिया था, यहां पर एंगल गिवन नहीं है बट इट इज अंडरस्टूड बिकॉज इन रेक्टेंगल ईच एंगल इज ऑफ 90 डिग्री. सो लेबल इट ओ के ए वाई. OK is 7 centimeter and KA is 5 centimeter. If this is 5, this is also 5 because opposite sides are equal. If this is 7, this is also 7. And one more thing is, its each angle is of 90 degree. तो हर एक 90 है, तो आपने जब एक 90 बना दोगे तब भी हमारा बन जाएगा. सो क्या लिखेंगे हम? इन रेक्टेंगल ऑपोजिट sides are equal, therefore OK किसके इक्वल हो जाएगा? YA के इक्वल 7 सेंटीमीटर एंड KA किसके इक्वल हो जाएगा? OY which is 5 सेंटीमीटर एंड each angle is of 90 डिग्री. मीन्स सभी एंगल 90 के होंगे बट हम एक एंगल ही 90 ड्रॉ करके we can make the rectangle. So let us start. So first of all, what we'll do? We draw the base. What is base? It is 7 centimeter. So with the help of scale, construct, draw a line segment OK of length 7 centimeter. Now students, as I told you, we can construct angle which are in the multiple of 15 with compass. So it is 90. वो हम कंपास से ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. तो कैसे ड्रॉ करेंगे? Let us see. From here, draw an arc. Then the point from where the arc starts, this point, where this arc intersect OK, वहां पर कंपास रख के draw one more arc. This is what? It is 60 degree. Again, this second arc में रख के एक और arc लगा दो. This is 120 because 60 plus 60 120 होता है. And we know that 60 प्लस 120 को अगर हम हाफ करेंगे कितना आएगा? 90. तो स्टूडेंट्स इसी कारण अगर हम इसको बाइसेक्ट करेंगे तो जो हमारा एंगल बनेगा वो 90 का बनेगा. सो व्हाट वी डू? फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट ड्रॉ वन आर्क, फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट कट द आर्क. सो स्टूडेंट्स इन दिस वे वी आर एबल टू construct an angle 90 degree. So join this point. So we will draw a ray. Okay. Now since its length is 5 centimeter, so what we do? Open the compass of radius 5 centimeter. So this is 5. Now measure from the scale and from here K, cut an arc. So the point where this arc intersect this ray, that point is said to be what? A. क्योंकि ये हमारा कितना हो गया? 5 सेंटीमीटर. This is 90 degree. Then if this is 5, this is also 5. O से आप 5 सेंटीमीटर की आर्क लगा दो. अब what is this? AY. AY is of 7 centimeter. Now open the compass of radius how much? 7 centimeter. So students याद रखना बच्चों, मेजरमेंट मस्ट बी एक्यूरेट. अगर मेजरमेंट सेम नहीं होगी तो फिगर हमारा रेक्टेंगल नहीं बनेगा. सो इन दिस वे वी आर एबल टू गेट. ठीक है. सो हेयर व्हाट वी गेट नाउ? अब जहां पर ये पॉइंट काटा है, दिस पॉइंट इज व्हाट? दिस पॉइंट इज y. सो ये हो गया y. नो ज्वाइन देम. ये हो गया ज्वाइन a विद y. ये हो गया. अब व्हाट इज दिस नाउ? ये हो गया हमारा 7 सेंटीमीटर बिकॉज ऑपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल आर इक्वल. दिस इज 5, दिस इज ऑल्सो 5 सेंटीमीटर. तो हमें हर एक एंगल ड्रॉ करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. सो इन दिस वे this OKAY is required rectangle. Okay students, so means आपको बेटा प्रॉपर्टीज को याद रखना है, then we can easily construct any of the quadrilateral.